Hi, I'm Shauna Davis, the Epicurean Connection. I'm located here in Sonoma, California. We'd like to share with you the cheesemaking classes that we are able to offer you over the Zoom platform. We can work with you and your corporate team or your family to make cheese in your home. We can ship you the supplies of a cheese ladle, a cheesecloth. We can also provide you with the cultures to make Chevre, creme fraiche, and or fromage blanc. And together as a group, we will make fresh cheeses, enjoy them. And in addition, if you would like, we can include an artisan American cheese board for you, featuring cheeses produced within the US. If you're interested, please feel free to call us at 707-235-9530, or you're welcome to email me, Shauna Davis, at SHEANA Davis@gmail.com, or please feel free to visit the Epicureanconnection.com, and we look forward to hosting a Zoom class for you and your group. Okay, thank you so much and have a great day.